Because there is no two person who can be similar in anything. So any pattern that you create, so think twice. When somebody asks me why have you composed it like this, can I explain this pattern to him? If answer is yes, it is accepted. Okay, yeah, yes. Now I answered Suchita. Yes, everything that you have explored is right. It can come in that many formats. Good. But Shravani, how Shravani has written the double tala scripting that you have done. In that, one akshara has 8 karves. Why is that? That is which kala?
Oh.
Or it is just a pattern?
It is half of the first beat. Less, sir.
So half of the first kala. That is, one akshara is becoming 8 aksharas. Right? But if you have understood it like in double tala, the first kala is 8 akshara. That's how you have understood? No. Then it is correct then. If you have understood it like that, then you are totally wrong.
Yeah.
First kala is 4 aksharas only.
Mm.
One akshara in the place of 4 akshara. Yesterday I explained you the double kale. There are many ways of putting the same tala. Sometimes it comes in 1-to-1 format. Sometimes it comes in 1-to-2 formats. Then also we have to consider each beat as 4 aksharas only. And then when we say tadditonam in this, you cannot say ta, ti, tom, nam. This is not first kala. Because you are taking one akshara in 2 beats.
Mm.
Right? So your first kala should be ta, di, tom, nam. Nam, tom, di, ta, di, tom, nam. So the number of aksharas you say becomes double.
Mm.
Okay? As the number of beats are getting doubled, number of aksharas also gets doubled. So we are not in 32 akshara cycle now. We are in 64 akshara cycle. Okay? If that is the case, then I can accept. Good.
So is
Yes.
it called
And
half kala?
Suchita, as I told, kalas are just practices. We can't relate everything to kala. Like, இப்போ ஒரு one jati is like this. Om Namah Shivaya Shivaya Namah Shivaya Om. So how will you evaluate these kind of jatis? There is no kala here. Yes, you can say it in 3 kala. You can say it in 3 speeds. But you can't take Om Namah Shivaya. This is in 1 speed. Shivaya Namah Shivaya is in another speed. Yes, theoretically, how you understand is correct. But they are all, as you have done, spaces and aksharas. If you understand it that way, it becomes very easy to calculate. So if I am saying this in the span of 64, when I increase one speed, it will get reduced to half, 32. Then I'll again increase speed, it will become 16. That is the criteria you should have in mind.
Okay.
Okay, yeah? Yes. Lot of theory. Now, we'll go to the practical. Now, if you are saying, so what was the last lesson that we stopped in? Ta, kita, tata, kita,
Tata kita.
tata, kita. So, if you are saying tata, kita in this double tala format, how will you say the third kala?
Actually,
So,
you also asked us to explore Tatata Kitta. That was the last exercise.
yes. So, forget about that now. We'll go to one lesson previous. There is no confusion there. So, when you're saying Tata kitta diddi kitta in third speed. How will you say it in the E third? This third. How will you say? Third kala. Say it. Hedi Suchita. Third kala is what?
Third kala is
Third kala is four
tatta
akshara.
ta. Okay, we had done tatta
Okay.
yeah.
You say tata ta kitta only in third kala.
Tatta ta ki
This
ta.
is which kala?
First speed.
So first speed. I am asking you to say third speed. How will you say third speed? Hmm.
Tatta ta ki.
That's why I said you say tata kitta. How will you say tata kitta?
Tatta tatta kitta diddi kitta tom kitta nam kitta nam kitta tom kitta diddi kitta tatta kitta.
How will you say in double kadai?
Tatta kitta diddi kitta tom kitta nam kitta
Very
tatta
good.
kitta. Okay.
Very good. So there is no confusion here, right? So now we will go to tata ta kita. Why was there so much of confusion there? Tata ta kita. Say the tata ta kita in third kala directly.
Tatta ta kitta diddi kitta tom kitta nam kitta tatta ta kitta diddi kitta.
Great. What is this format of tata ta kita diddi kita tom kita nam kita? How does it sound? Tata ta kita diddi kita tom kita nam kita. Le maradala bhale vare varasala. Idi ಯಾವ ಗತಿ? This is the thing that you have to know. This is where we are committing mistakes. Ta ta kitta di kitta tom kitta nam kitta ta kitta di kitta. How does it sound? Is it sounding like taka dhimi taka jano, or is it sounding like takita ta kita di
The second one.
ta kita.
Takitta takitta.
So which is the gati that you are saying now? If you are saying 4-6 aksharas in one beat, which is that gati?
Tisra.
What is that gati?
Tisra.
How is it Tishra? Multiples of 3s.
Takitta. Yeah.
You are saying some other gati itself. So if you don't know this, then you are wrong again. You are spacing 6 aksharas in the space of 4. But we should make it sound like 4 only. Now,
Tatata kitta. Tatata kitta. Tatata kitta.
I am confused at the mapping you did based on the sound. I'm not getting that. Like
say,
you said that this sounds like takitta.
say it. When you say, you can't hear and analyze at the same time. That's what your problem is now, as of now. Because there is nobody sitting in your front and tell you, no, this is sounding like something else. What is the remedy? You have to record your practice. Record it. Listen to it. If it sounds like something else, figure out what is that. What am I saying? It's a new learning. Right? Instead of saying 4, I'm saying 6. And that I can't know. That is wrong. You should know what you are saying. So if you are saying ta kitta di kitta tom kitta nam kitta, There is no two kalas. There are no two kalas combined in one phrase there. Everything is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But the format that you have to say it is the first two aksharas have to come in upper kala. How will you detect that? So it should be like this. Takka dhimmi, takka dhimmi, takka dhimmi, takka dhimmi, tataka dhimmi, tataka dhimmi, tataka dhimmi, tataka dhimmi. So the first two aksharas have to be said in upper kala.
So it should be tatata kitta, tatata kitta, tatata kitta, tatata kitta.
See now you can do. See Suchita, relate it to an adavu that you do. Can you do taitaitam on this? Tatata kitta diditi. There are so much of space after taitaitam. Tatata kitta diditi kitta tom 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 kitta. But if you say tatata kitta diditi kitta tom 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 taka taka dhimi. So taka dhimi if you say tatata kitta diditi kitta
But
tom
we
tom.
do, in dance, we do ta, ki, ta.
That is not taitaitam. Will you say taitaitam?
No.
If you do takita and you say taitaitam, taitaitam, taitaitam. Will you say like that?
No.
Then it should be different, right? So, relate one Chaturashra Adavu that you know very well, like Ta Taitaita. Okay, Ta Taitaita I know very well. So, if I say Ta Taitaita, Taitaita, Ta Taitai, this shollu cut to what I am saying, it should fit on that. So, tatata kitta, didi kitta, tontoton kitta, dance. Ta taitaita, tatata kitta, didi kitta, tontoton kitta, tontoton kitta. Then you are right. But if you are saying ta 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 kitta di 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 kitta, you can't dance ta 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 at all. Because the spacing is different.
Okay.
Alva?
No.
You understood?
Yeah.
Say now. Say the correct version now.
So, but the tala will be three, right?
Why?
4 only. Okay.
Why are you changing the tala?
Okay.
You say it in the original tala. 4.
Tatata kitta, dididi kitta, tom kitta, nam kitta, nam kitta, tom kitta, dididi kitta, tatata kitta. Ta.
Say from first kala now.
Okay.
Hmm.
Tatata ki ta.
Aha. Why is that tatata in one beat? How many aksharas is there in total?
So the tata is 1 because it's next speed, and then
After
ta is the
understanding
next.
that also you are saying like this. Say now.
Tata, ta.
This is not tatata. It's like your taditonam. Ta di tonam. Di tonam ta. Ta di tonam. These are all the possibilities. We don't want the possibilities. We want the correct tatata kita.
So ta, ki, ta. Di,
Where was this hiding?
ta. Tom,
You're testing me. Yeah?
ki, ta. Nam, ki, ta.
Second kala.
Okay.
No possibilities now. You have to render it correct, the correct one.
Tatata, ki, ta. Dididi, ki, ta.
This is also a possibility.
Ki, ta. Nam, ki, ta.
I said this is a possibility. How are you saying the first beat? Tatata, ki, ta. Dididi, ki, ta. Why so much of pause after tatata? Because you are not saying it correctly in one speed. What is the correct way? As you said, ta, 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 ki, ta. How will it come in second speed now?
So the tata, comma, ta, comma.
Why tata, comma? Where is the comma after tata?
So no. So tata, ta, comma.
After, if you say tata, tata, what is the ta? Ta has space.
Tata, ta,
Ah,
ki.
why is that tata, ta, ki, ta, didi? You are saying suchi, ta, ki, ta, suchi, ta.
No, there is
Why
a
is the
comma
suchi
after the
after the
ta.
suchi? There is a karve.
There's a karve after the ta.
Where is the karve? How will you have a karve after tata? How many aksharas are you saying?
I'm saying 4 with the karve.
Say.
Tat, 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 ta, a.
Where was the karve after tata? No,
This.
where is the karve? Karve is at the fourth akshara's place.
Yeah.
Tat, tat, ta. You are saying tata, ta.
Okay. Tatata, ki,
Ayo Rama.
ta, dididi, ki, ta, tom, ki, tom, ki, ta,
Say
nam,
takadimi first.
nam, ki, ta.
Takadimi, takajano, takadimi, takajano, takadimi, takajan, tatata, ki, ta, takadimi, ta. It is not tatata. You can't run and suddenly drag. So run, drag. Catch hold of the space and
Tatata, ki, ta, dididi, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta.
so what was the difference between this and that? Definitely, Shravani, she is testing us. If I say like this, what will be the reaction? Let me see. Then, oh, I think this is wrong. So let me say the correct one now. Ta 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 ki ta. Yes, now you are correct. You are doing like that. ಸುಚಿತಾ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. The stocks will never go up, never come down in this market. It's always one way of surrendering an akshara. If you are saying tat ta tat ta tat ta tat ta, second kala ta 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 ta, how will it become second kala now? Tat ta.
The second kala is ta, ta. No. Ta,
Correct. Tat, because the first two aksharas are coming in next
next
speed.
speed. So ta,
So first,
ta, ki, ta,
ah.
di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta.
Now, how will be the third speed? It cannot be ta 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 ki ta 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 ki ta.
No, tatata kitta, dididi kitta, tom kitta, nam kitta, nam kitta, tom kitta, dididi kitta. Because those two get combined. They get.
Abba.
I am the toughest student for you.
No, I'm getting doubt. Am I the toughest teacher to understand? Right?
I have a
The other way
carway
around.
problem.
The other way around. The student is becoming so restless that I can't understand you. Sir, what is this, sir? I can't follow you. You just tell me how I understand. You understand now?
I'll do first speed. So first speed
Huh.
is ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki,
Correct.
ta. Then the second speed is
You should not stop. You should just
ta,
go.
ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, ki, ta.
Yes. Now, I'll ask you a question. If you have understood, you will answer it correctly. Can you say fourth kala in this?
It's already in fourth time. words do.
Yeah, the first part is already.
Why you can't say the fourth kala? The fourth kala is already there. So if you go to the next kala, the first kala, two aksharas have to be in fifth kala then.
How will it be in fifth kala? How will
Fifth
you?
kala is 16 aksharas per beat. Right, double of 8.
Hmm.
So humanly not possible.
Not possible.
That's why we stop at fourth
Fourth.
kala. If there is a combination of fourth and third, you can't proceed to fifth and fourth now. Understood?
Yeah.
Very good. Shravani, you say now. Tatata kitta.
Ta, 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 ki, ta. Di,
Hmm.
di, ki, ta. Tum, 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 ki, ta. Nam, 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 ki, ta. Ta, 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 ki, ta. Di, ki, ta. Tum, 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 ki, ta. Nam, 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 ki, ta. Ta, 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 ki, ta. Di, ki, ta. Tum, 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 ki, ta. Nam, 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 ki, ta, 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 ki, ta. Di, ki, ta. Tum, 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 ki, ta. Nam, 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 ki.
Ah. Why are you dragging it there?
Yeah, I
Till
really,
that you are correct.
yeah.
You started slowly dragging ta 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 kitta di 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 kitta. Why? You should not do that.
Yeah.
Huh? Good. Yes. Now we have a lot of confusions between these three kalas, right? We'll do that now. So three kala like Trikala Jati. How do you say Trikala Jati? First speed once, second speed twice, third speed 4 times. That's how we say, right? Ta, ritta, ritta, kinna, takka, naka, jham, ta, jham. Ta, ritta, ritta, kinna, takka, naka, jham, jham. Tatta, ritta, kinna, takka, naka, jham, jham. Ta, ritta, kinna, takka, naka, jham, jham. Tatta. That's how you say it, right? Trikala Jati. In the same format of that, we will say this Jati. What is the Jati? It is tat tat ta kita. That is the Jati. How you have to say? In Trikala format. Tat ta ki ta. Tat tat ta kita. Tat tat ta kita. Tatata kita. Tatata kita. Tatata kita. Tatata kita. Di di ki ta. Di kitta, di kitta, di kitta, di kitta, tom, kitta, tom, kitta, tom, kitta, kitta, nam, kitta. Nam kitta nam kitta nananam kitta. What, Suchita? What happened?
My head will explode.
There is nothing to be explored. It is just one 4 akshara phrase in 3 different speeds. First speed once, second speed twice, third speed 4 times. Okay, na? If you can do this, you can also do the ta kita, tata kita, tatata kita, all the 3 in this format, so that there won't be any confusion. See, ta ki ta kita ta kita ta kita ta kita ta kita ta kita di ta di kita di kita di kita di kita di kita di kita. In the second lesson, ta ki ta